What's up, y'all? This is 2021. It's just my second update. Only bought a couple things. I traded a couple things, but here it is. Still got the 5150. See it back there. Got that illegal alien. One next to illegal alien. I don't know if you guys can see that. Grand Champion. Below that, that's that MAGA 228 shot. Came up on a couple small ones. Mad World, Infinity War, Donald, and down there at the bottom is what's that? I think that's Wonderland. Here's the new ones that I got. This one's by, I think, T-Sky 177 shot, Witch Doctor, seeing Halo. I got Laser Show down there. That double down there, that one is called I believe it's 221 shot. I think it's called Endgame. Got the Superman, King of Kings, and here's one of the new ones that I got. Just barely came out. You know the brand, Bendejo. I think it's 267 shot. I don't know if you guys seen the demo on it, but it's a banger, y'all. That's a banger. But yeah, that's my second stash update. Like I said, it's not too much of an update. I just kind of traded in some things, but try to trade it in for some newer shit. But yeah, that's what it is. I still got those 5-inch Cocos. There's my tube right there. Still got Halo. Fired a couple of them. But yeah, let me know what y'all think.